always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna do a short live cop for the Jordan 3 Cool Grays. As you guys can see, I'm not in my original setup. I'm at my girl's house right now, but I did decide to still record this video for y'all. If you're doing up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And also make sure you click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway. It's completely free. All you gotta do is click the link and enter on there. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. And the first thing you want to do when a sneaker drops is go to Sneakers app. Even though you're almost guaranteed like the L, go to Sneakers app, add all your information in, and go from there. You know what I'm saying? So I added everything in. It's obviously blurred for privacy reasons, but boom, you're in line. I entered. We almost already know where that goes. Like, we know where this tunnel leads. So I go ahead, go to Foot Locker, Champs, Finish Line, Foot Action if I'm not mistaken, and I'm over here waiting to get in the store. It's pretty much simple, self-explanatory. I'm over here spamming the add to cart button literally for over 30 to 40 minutes. I was doing this same motion right here, add the size, add to cart, till eventually they were, I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit what happened. I literally just kept adding to cart. This is normally what I do on a Jordan release, because eventually you're able to get through, and they kicked me back outside. Like, I had to go ahead and wait again to get back into the store. It was kind of weird, but once I got back in, I'm adding to cart again, and they say that I've been blocked. I never got this shit before. I do not know what that means. So I'm like, yo, let me take a break on Foot Locker, go to another website real quick. I come back and it's starting to let me through. So I'm like, all right, let me keep trying to add it to my cart. It's probably gonna let me through. Nah, bro, I got blocked again. Like, literally, it just kept saying I was blocked and it didn't make any sense. So I kept trying. I was using Chrome before, so I opened Safari, and now on here it's making me do captchas and shit like that. I'm like, bro, I've never done this before. I don't know if that's something new they're doing, but it let me through for a little while longer. It kept saying I was blocked, bro. So I'm like, damn, I missed out on the fucking Cool Gray 3s. I already don't have the 4s, and now I can't even get the 3s either. I was almost giving up, and then I came back like 3 hours later, and I got them in my car. I checked out. I'm adding all my information in at this point. Bro, literally, I was not expecting this, because I literally made breakfast. I was watching Netflix. I came back, filled out all my information, and low-key, this was like the weirdest cook up I've ever had. I'm not gonna lie, because I just stopped giving a f. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just stopped caring, came back, and as y'all can see right here, the thank you for your order. They are saying that these are back ordered. I don't even know what that means, but I did end up cooking up on the Jordan 3 Cool Grays. That's pretty much like my weirdest live cop I've ever done. I've never walked away from a sneaker release, came back. I'm like, yo, I tried it for like literally 2 more times because I was already on the website. I was literally about to edit another video that's coming out tomorrow now. I was about to finish editing that, and I'm like, yo, let me just try it a couple more times. It wouldn't hurt. It still said the sizes are there, so I'm like, yo, fuck it, might as well, right? As soon as I go ahead and add it to the cart the first time, it gave me the little timer, and I already knew what time it was, bro. It let me right through. I don't know if these are gonna be bricks or whatever the case is. Matter of fact, let's pull them up on StockX and just see what's going on with them. We might go ahead and see that these are a brick, which honestly, I really don't even care. I just wanted these for the personal. Yeah, these shits are kind of a brick. I'm gonna throw the picture up right here for you guys. They're going for $239 in my size. Low-key, I don't really care. Like I said before, I do feel like this sneaker right here has a lot of potential to grow in the market as time goes on. It's one of those sneakers like the Cool Gray 4, which we did see drop last year or 2 years ago if I'm not mistaken. That sneaker went up immensely from what it was when it first released. I feel like the same thing is gonna happen with the Cool Gray 3s. The originals released around the same time. It's the same looking sneaker in a way, in a different silhouette. It definitely will have that growth down the line, and it's a sneaker that I would recommend if you are trying to get it to wear on feet or whatever you're trying to do with it. Definitely do it while the price is low, because time will pass and this sneaker will be worth much more money. Definitely trust me on that. But if you did enjoy this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. This is on the shorter side, and hey, I don't even apologize, bro. I'm just trying to drop another video for y'all, but since I was able to cook up on them, I was like, yo, fuck it, might as well just go ahead and post this little video for y'all. Once again, if you enjoyed, slap a like, subscribe down below, click the post notification notification bells, and do not forget to go ahead and enter the Supreme TNF shoulder bag giveaway, completely free. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, drop a like on my videos, and click the Gleam link to make sure that everything is processed through there. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.